The Miracle Morning is a groundbreaking book that introduces a powerful morning routine designed to transform your life and set you up for success. This book presents a unique approach to starting your day, known as the Miracle Morning, which incorporates a series of practices to enhance your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By implementing these habits into your morning routine, you can experience profound positive changes in various aspects of your life. Hal Elrod, the author of The Miracle Morning, is a renowned speaker, success coach, and personal development expert. He is a living testament to the transformative power of starting the day with intention and purpose. Hal Elrod's own life took a dramatic turn when he faced a life-threatening accident, which led him to develop the concept of the Miracle Morning as a way to bounce back and achieve extraordinary success. With his inspiring personal journey and extensive experience in personal development, Hal Elrod shares his wisdom and insights in this book, offering practical strategies and a step-by-step guide to help readers create their own powerful morning rituals. His passion for empowering individuals to unlock their full potential and live their best lives shines through in every page of The Miracle Morning. In The Miracle Morning, Hal Elrod emphasizes the significance of the first hour of the day and how it sets the tone for the rest of your day. He believes that how you start your morning greatly influences your mindset, energy levels, and overall productivity. By dedicating intentional time to yourself in the early hours, you can create a positive and proactive mindset that carries throughout the day. During the first hour of the day, your mind is fresh and your willpower is at its strongest. This provides an opportunity to engage in activities that nourish your mind, body, and spirit. By consciously utilizing this time, you can establish a strong foundation for success and well-being. The morning habits you cultivate during that crucial first hour have a profound impact on your success and productivity throughout the day. Engaging in activities such as meditation, visualization, exercise, reading, and goal setting during the morning sets a positive momentum that carries over into your work, relationships, and personal life. Practicing morning habits helps to enhance your focus, clarity, and creativity, enabling you to tackle challenges with greater efficiency. It also helps to reduce stress, increase self-awareness, and cultivate a sense of purpose. By starting your day with intentional habits, you take control of your time and energy, making each day a stepping stone towards achieving your goals and aspirations. The Miracle Morning provides a roadmap for harnessing the power of your mornings to maximize your potential and create a fulfilling and successful life. By prioritizing the first hour of your day, you can unlock a world of possibilities and create a positive ripple effect that extends far beyond those early morning hours. Rising early in the morning. The Miracle Morning emphasizes the importance of waking up early to kickstart your day. By rising early, you gain extra time to focus on personal growth and self-improvement. This quiet time in the morning allows you to set a positive tone for the day ahead and create a sense of calm and intention. Meditation and visualization. Engaging in meditation and visualization practices during your morning routine can have a profound impact on your mental and emotional well-being. These practices help you cultivate mindfulness, reduce stress, and enhance focus. Visualization techniques allow you to vividly imagine your goals and aspirations, creating a powerful mindset for success. Physical activity and exercise. Physical activity and exercise are vital components of the Miracle Morning. Engaging in movement early in the day not only boosts your physical health, but also increases energy levels and improves mental clarity. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or a workout session, dedicating time to physical activity jumpstarts your metabolism and sets a positive tone for the day. Reading and learning. Devoting time to reading and learning is an integral part of the Miracle Morning. By immersing yourself in personal development books, inspirational literature, or educational material, you expand your knowledge and stimulate personal growth. Reading provides valuable insights and perspectives, fostering continuous learning and self-improvement. Writing and goal setting. The practice of writing and goal setting during your morning routine helps you clarify your priorities and set a clear direction for your life. By journaling, writing affirmations, or creating a vision board, you align your thoughts and aspirations, making them more tangible and actionable. Writing down your goals helps you stay focused and motivated as you work towards achieving them. Practicing gratitude. Expressing gratitude is a powerful way to cultivate positivity and shift your mindset. Taking a moment each morning to acknowledge and appreciate the blessings in your life creates a sense of abundance and happiness. Practicing gratitude sets a positive tone for the day and helps you maintain a positive outlook, even in challenging situations. By incorporating these components into your morning routine, you can create a holistic and transformative experience that nourishes your mind, body, and spirit, setting the stage for a successful and fulfilling day. The Miracle Morning provides practical guidance on how to integrate these components into your routine to optimize your personal growth and overall well-being, improving physical and emotional well-being. Implementing the Miracle Morning routine can significantly improve your physical and emotional well-being. By starting your day with activities like exercise, meditation, and gratitude, you boost your energy levels, reduce stress, and enhance your overall mood. Regular physical activity improves fitness and vitality, while practices like meditation promote mental clarity and emotional resilience, increasing productivity and efficiency. The Miracle Morning has a direct impact on your productivity and efficiency throughout the day. By dedicating time to personal growth, goal setting, and focused learning, you develop a proactive mindset and clarity about your priorities. This increased focus and intentionality enable you to make better decisions, manage your time effectively, and accomplish tasks with greater efficiency. Personal growth and self-improvement. Engaging in the practices of the Miracle Morning fosters personal growth and self-improvement. Reading inspiring literature, setting goals, and reflecting on your progress allows for continuous learning and development. Through consistent morning routines, you cultivate positive habits, expand your knowledge, and develop valuable skills, all contributing to your personal growth and self-mastery. Developing positive habits. The Miracle Morning provides a framework for establishing and reinforcing positive habits. By consistently following the routine, you create a sense of discipline and structure in your life. The morning rituals become ingrained in your daily routine, making it easier to sustain them over time. These positive habits not only enhance your mornings, but also have a cascading effect, positively impacting other areas of your life. By embracing the Miracle Morning approach, you experience a holistic transformation that encompasses physical, emotional, and mental well-being. The increased productivity, personal growth, and positive habits cultivated through this routine contribute to a more fulfilling and successful life. Dealing with personal resistance to a new routine. Implementing a new routine, such as the Miracle Morning, can be met with personal resistance. It's common to face challenges like the temptation to snooze, feeling overwhelmed, or struggling to break old habits. Overcoming this resistance starts with recognizing and understanding the underlying reasons for the resistance. By acknowledging your resistance and focusing on the benefits and positive outcomes of the new routine, you can gradually overcome personal barriers and embrace the change. Addressing common challenges when implementing the Miracle Morning. When implementing the Miracle Morning, it's essential to anticipate and address common challenges that may arise. Some common challenges include lack of time, external distractions, or difficulty maintaining consistency. To overcome these challenges, consider strategies such as waking up earlier, creating a dedicated morning routine space, minimizing distractions, and establishing accountability through journaling or sharing your goals with a partner or a supportive community. Adapting the routine to fit your lifestyle and being flexible with the components can also help in sustaining the practice. Support and motivation during habit changes. Changing habits and implementing a new routine can be challenging, but having support and motivation can make a significant difference. Seek support from like-minded individuals who are also following the Miracle Morning, or join online communities and forums where you can share experiences, exchange tips, and provide encouragement to one another. Additionally, find sources of motivation that resonate with you, such as reading success stories, listening to inspiring podcasts, or engaging in personal development activities. Surrounding yourself with positive influences and a supportive network can help you stay motivated and committed to the habit changes. Overcoming challenges and resistance requires patience, self-awareness, and a willingness to adapt. By understanding your personal resistance, addressing common challenges, and seeking support and motivation, you can successfully navigate the path of habit change and embrace the miracle morning routine as a transformative practice in your life. Adapting the miracle. Morning to individual needs. The miracle morning is a flexible concept that can be adapted to meet individual needs and preferences. While the core components remain the same, you have the freedom to customize the routine to align with your personal goals, interests, and lifestyle. You can adjust the duration of each component, add or modify activities that resonate with you, and experiment with different techniques to find what works best for you. Adapting the routine ensures that it remains sustainable and enjoyable, leading to long-term success. Applying the miracle morning in different areas of life. The miracle morning is not limited to personal growth and self-improvement alone. The principles and practices can be applied to various areas of life to enhance productivity, well-being, and success. Whether it's in your career, relationships, finances, or creativity, you can incorporate elements of the miracle morning to set a positive tone and create intentional routines that support your goals and aspirations. By applying the principles to different areas of life, you create a holistic approach to personal development and achievement. Principles of the miracle. Morning and their practical application in daily life. The principles of the miracle morning extend beyond the morning routine itself and can be applied in daily life. These principles include intentionality, self-reflection, continuous learning, gratitude, and taking ownership of your time. By integrating these principles into your everyday activities, you cultivate a mindset of growth, mindfulness, and purpose. This can involve practices like setting intentions for the day, reflecting on your progress, expressing gratitude throughout the day, and making conscious choices about how you spend your time. The practical application of these principles enhances your overall well-being and success in all areas of life. Expanding the concept of the miracle morning allows you to personalize the routine, apply it to different aspects of your life, and embody the underlying principles in your daily activities. This flexibility ensures that the miracle morning becomes a sustainable and transformative practice that supports your journey of personal growth and achievement. In conclusion, The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod presents a powerful framework for transforming your life by dedicating intentional time to personal growth and self-improvement in the morning. Key points and takeaways from the book include: the first hour of the day sets the tone for success, and by establishing a purposeful morning routine, you can enhance your mindset, energy, and productivity throughout the day. The components of the Miracle Morning include rising early, practicing meditation and visualization, engaging in physical activity, reading and learning, writing and goal setting, and expressing gratitude. The benefits of the Miracle Morning encompass improved physical and emotional well-being, increased productivity and efficiency, personal growth and self-improvement, and the development of positive habits. Overcoming challenges and resistance involves dealing with personal resistance, addressing common challenges, and seeking support and motivation. The concept of the miracle morning can be expanded by adapting it to individual needs, applying it to different areas of life, and embodying its principles in daily activities. B. Inspiring the application of the miracle morning for achieving success. The Miracle Morning inspires readers to apply the principles and practices to their own lives in pursuit of personal and professional success. By embracing the transformative power of the morning routine, individuals can unlock their full potential, cultivate positive habits, and create a fulfilling and purpose-driven life. By making a commitment to prioritize personal growth and self-care in the morning, individuals can experience profound positive changes that ripple throughout their lives. The miracle morning serves as a catalyst for creating a life of intention, productivity, and fulfillment. In conclusion, the miracle morning offers a transformative approach to starting your day and serves as a guide to unlocking your potential and achieving success in all aspects of life. Embrace the power of the morning routine and embark on a journey of personal growth, productivity, and happiness.